Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, this is an easy tutorial on how to achieve this hair bonnet. This bonnet you can be able to use to wear on your braids, on your cornrows, even your normal hair. So yeah, I'll be showing you guys how to achieve this. If you're interested in knowing how to do this, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Possible, I'm going to try to break it down for you guys as simple as possible. So yeah, let's get into the video, guys. First of all, you'll be needing a satin. This is a satin fabric, and also you need a band. This band, make sure it's something stretchy, like, as you can see it stretches. So yeah, you need this band, and also you need an elastic band. So let's check the length together, guys. The length is 40, guys, and the width of this fabric is 30. To make this bonnet, we'll be folding this fabric into two from the length. Remember, the length is 40, so we'll be folding it into two like this from the length. The new length is 20 inches. Go ahead and find the midpoint of 20 inches, which is 10 inches. Now find the midpoint of the width. 30 inches divided by 2 gives you 15 inches. So the midpoint is 15 inches. Now chalk bonnet's length along close edge. And the length I'll be using is 28 inches plus 1 inch sewing allowance. Now connect bonnet length to the midpoint of the width. Go ahead and connect the width midpoint to the length midpoint using a straight line. Using your scissors, cut this out. Now I'll be sewing a loose stitch on this curvy area. I will go ahead and gather this together, making sure I get my head circumference, which is 22 inches, plus 1 inch sewing allowance. So after sewing the loose stitch and then gathering this to have your gathers, make sure this is your head circumference. For the elastic band, the length is 7 inches. On the base, I will be hemming this in so I can make a channel for the elastic to pass through. For the band, the length is 20 inches and the width is 5 inches. I will go ahead and pin the band to my bonnet, and then I will sew by 1/2 inch. Sewing from the right side, on the right side, this is what you have. So now we are going to sew this now and fold it by 1/2 inch while sewing, like this. Using my safety pin, I'll pin this to the elastic and then pass it through the channel I created. So this is the right side and this is the wrong side. So we'll be closing this up like this. Place it right side facing right side, and then we join, including this where the band is seated. We go and sew in straight like this, straight down. So you join from here and straight.